Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for brutally honest product deep dives. And today, we're reviewing what might just be the best choker necklace velvet Gothic style on Amazon right now. The Sacina Gothic Vintage Victorian Velvet Choker. Let's get right into it. Right from the first glance, this choker screams vintage elegance with a Gothic twist. The design is unmistakably Victorian, soft black velvet wrapping the neck, with a central pendant that adds just the right amount of drama. It's bold, it's expressive, and it knows exactly what it is. Whether you're dressing up for a Gothic cosplay, a Halloween night out, or just want to spice up your outfit with a vintage vibe, this choker makes a statement. Now let's talk material. The choker is made from high-quality zinc alloy. It's not some flimsy costume jewelry, it has a solid, well-crafted feel to it. The velvet is soft to the touch, and it doesn't irritate the skin even after hours of wear. For something at this price point, that's a win. Size-wise, the pendant is 1.2 inches wide and 1.57 inches tall. It's big enough to catch the eye, but not so large that it overpowers your entire look. The chain is 12.6 inches long, and comes with an additional 3-inch extender. So whether you have a slim or broader neckline, it's adjustable enough to fit comfortably. One thing that stands out about this choker is how versatile it is. Pair it with a Gothic dress, a casual black tee, or even a Renaissance-style outfit, and it works. It adds an old-world charm that you just don't get with modern jewelry. That makes it ideal not only for Halloween or costume parties, but also for concerts, cosplay events, or even an edgy date night. And if you're thinking of gifting this, good choice. It checks all the boxes for a unique, affordable, and aesthetic piece of jewelry. Birthdays, Valentine's Day, Christmas, New Year's, it fits all those occasions. Plus, it ships fast and comes in various options starting from just around $7. But let's be real, it's not a luxury piece. You're not getting 18K gold here. What you're getting is a statement accessory that does exactly what it promises. Give you that bold, Gothic, vintage look without breaking the bank. Now let's talk durability. Since it's zinc-based, you'll want to avoid water and perfume contact to keep it looking sharp. But with proper care, it holds up well. The clasp is secure, the velvet doesn't fray easily, and the metal doesn't feel cheap. Here's something I loved, it doesn't feel mass-produced. There's a charm and uniqueness to its design that sets it apart from the dozens of cookie-cutter chokers out there. If you're looking for a Gothic or Victorian-inspired choker that balances style, comfort, and price, yes. It's elegant enough to wear on special occasions, but casual enough to throw on with a black top and jeans. And for under $15? That's a steal. And if you're building a costume jewelry collection, this is a must-have. Especially if you love dark, romantic aesthetics. To sum it up, the Sacina Black Velvet Victorian Choker delivers. It's stylish, affordable, and full of personality. That's it for today's product critique. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want us to review more Gothic or vintage fashion pieces. Until next time, stay stylish, and keep critiquing smart.